Zhang Xue Motorcycles, better known as ZXMoto, is shaking things up in the motorcycle world with its upcoming ZX500F. What's bold about this bike is that it seems to be arriving ahead of Honda's rumored CB500 Super Four, a model Honda hasn't even officially launched yet. The company's founder, Zhang Xue, is no stranger to the industry. He was also the mind behind Cove, before splitting off in early 2024 to start his own brand. In just over a year, ZXMoto has already shown serious ambition, with models like the inline-4 ZX500RR, the prototype 820RR Triple boasting 150 horsepower at 15,000 RPM, plus plans for adventure and off-road bikes. But the 500F will be its next big public debut, set to launch at the CIMAMotor show on September 19th. Design-wise, the 500F takes clear inspiration from Honda's legendary CB400 Super Four, discontinued in 2022. But this isn't just a straight copy. While it carries familiar UJM cues, like twin horns under the round headlight and twin gauges above, it upgrades the tech. Instead of Honda's steel double cradle frame, the 500F uses what looks like an aluminum twin-spar chassis. Suspension is modern too, with an upside-down fork up front and a monoshock at the rear, replacing the CB400's more traditional setup. As for performance, official specs aren't out yet, but type approval documents reveal some key numbers. 74 horsepower, slightly less than the sportier ZX500RR, a curb weight of 386 pounds, and a wheelbase just shy of 55 inches. Tire sizes are standard sporty dimensions, 120 at the front, 180 at the rear. Overall, it's designed to be lighter, modern, and more affordable than its sport bike sibling. For now, the ZX500F seems aimed squarely at the Chinese market, but given Zhang Xue's track record and Cove's international expansion, it's safe to say global ambitions are on the horizon. So the big question: did ZXMoto just beat Honda to the punch with a CB500 Super Four rival? We'll find out soon, but one thing's clear: this new brand is moving fast, and the 500F might be its breakthrough moment.